Hi guys, welcome to this channel Skin by Hush, and we are back with a new video. So today's video is gonna be all about monsoon summer and what all shorts that I have in the monsoon and summer heat. So basically it's like a summer shorts collection haul video. I know you all are having questions, okay, like what happened at the time of video. So basically I have started working in Estee Lauder companies, and cause of that I am active on shorts and short videos of like 30 second and 1 minute on Instagram, also on YouTube. So if you are new to this channel, my name is Harsh Shokin. I am posting content on Instagram and YouTube, and it's been like 1.5 years that I'm creating content but didn't reach the targeted audience or get the subscribers and followers, or I can say supporters, that much. So yeah, that's the weekly video here with a haul. So guys, I have a lot of collection in the summer haul video. So कुछ मैंने इसी मंथ में लिए हैं और कुछ पहले के हैं जो मैं इस वीडियो में कवर करने वाला हूँ. शॉर्ट्स कलेक्शन फॉर मेंस बेसिकली, and all the links will be connected in the comment section or in description box. Either you can text me personally for the links. So let's just start it. So some of these are from Shein and some of these are from Myntra, and rest you know that I don't shop from outside that much. I'm a more like an online person. So let's start with the first. What we are having in shorts is this one. So this I got from Shein this month only, and it has like this type of cuts on the edges or the ending. So it's like a very summery and comfortable shorts that I usually wear at my home, or you can use this in like gym as well, or you are roaming outside. So this is something which I prefer more in shorts rather than the track pants or heavy jeans. Next is one of my favorite, and this is something how this is looking. So इसमें it is like the fire coming out from the bottom inner lining of the shorts, and this was in the cotton fabric as you can see, and this is one of my favorite one, and I got it around like 200 from Shein. And same I ordered this too, the another one, और इस पे ये ऐसे skull बना हुआ है, and I really like this, like it's like very aesthetic, or you can say Gen Z vibes. And this one also I got from Shein, and something like 200 or 250. So I recently went to H&M store और वहाँ पे सेल चल रही थी, and I cannot resist my eyes from this shorts. This was in this color. I really love this, and इसका fabric I don't know how the fabric is, and इसके अंदर it's like a network ऐसे करके कुछ, and pockets भी है. It has like side में pocket और पीछे भी एक pocket दी है इसमें, and like I really love this. It's like very I can say beach vibes. So this is what I got from H&M. It is around like 600. Next item is this short in the, I don't know how to pronounce, it's gray greenish color, and it's from New Balance. So you will get it online, I guess, on Myntra, or you have to go at the New Balance store. If I found the link, I'll tell you. So this is also like very comfortable. यहाँ पे New Balance का आपका logo है इसमें. So this is something which is very wide from the bottom of the ending. It has like elastic something, and इसमें आपका ये भी है string वगैरह, so that you can just tie it up according to you. So this is something which is like very good, but it's not in the cotton fabric. It's something like जो चिकना चिकना सा fabric होता है. More prefer for the like gym persons or sports person जो ज़्यादा sports में है, but I don't mind using it at my home. Next one is this from Decathlon, and it is there like not on cotton fabric, but it's something which I prefer, or इट्स मोर ऑफ लाइक अ जिम शॉर्ट्स, क्योंकि इसके अंदर आपका ये इलास्टिक वाला ये चीज़ अटैच है. सो यू कैन जस्ट वेयर इट आउट और लाइक होम और स्पोर्ट्स और जिम में, एंड यू आर रोमिंग अराउंड एट पार्क्स, और इट हैज़ अ वेरी थिक फैब्रिक, एंड दिस कॉस्ट मी अराउंड लाइक 2000 मे बी. एंड इससे पहले जो न्यू बैलेंस वाला था दैट वाज आल्सो सेम, क्योंकि दे आर लाइक समथिंग व्हिच इज हाई एंड ब्रांड एंड यूजुअली कॉस्ट not in the budget. That's all about the haul. So if you are confused or want to purchase some new summery, and I can say in this hot weather shorts, so You will get the links in the comment section, of course, or maybe in the description box. So if you like the videos and found helpful, please like the video, comment the video, and do not forget to subscribe the channel. And I will see you in the weekly video. Yeah, it's a wrap.